Hello, 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 everybody. This is me, Toni Ward, Master Trainer. I want to make sure you guys know exactly how to place people in your back office. Where do they go? I signed them up, but I don't see where they are. We've all experienced that when we got started, so I want to make sure that everybody knows how to get people out of the placement holding spot to the correct spot on your team. So, what I want to do is let you listen in on a conversation I had with one of my fabulous business partners, Mr. Ivan Weaver. We go way back, a lot of different businesses. He's super successful, and I want you guys to listen in on our training conversation so that you too will understand exactly what to do when you get somebody enrolled in Epic. Listen, you guys, here it comes. Hello, this is Toni.
All right. So, Toni, I'm super excited. I got my first enrollment, and the person I got is a beast. But the problem I'm having right now is I got her in the system.
Uh-huh.
She signed up, but I don't know what to do next.
Right, and you probably don't see her in your back office yet, right?
No, I see the one enrollment, but I just don't know what to do because you said, or I was told I had to place her
Right.
somewhere. So I don't know what to do and what that really means.
Okay, well, let me help you place her, and then we can go from there, okay? So let's go to your back office, and then let's log in, and then we can go from there.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, Ivan, let's get you in the system.
Okay.
Okay, Ivan, perfect. Let's log you in so that I can show you exactly what to do with your back office. So go ahead,
Okay.
password, and we'll go from there. Okay, cool.
All
Perfect.
right. Bada boom, bada bing. All right. I'm here.
Okay, perfect. So this is your back office. Super excited because, Ivan, I know you just got started like a day ago. So the fact that you already have, somebody interested in joining you in Epic is wonderful. So this is your back office, okay? This is what it looks like, where everything is at, um, period. So if you go over to my team, what you want to do before you ever place anybody, because if you look right here, you see it says placement hold. There's one person in here. So you can keep that here if you want to. If you're going to be doing a lot of, this is good because it helps you put people where they belong, right? Because, with the comp plan, it has to be 40%, 40%, 20% of any rank that you're going to. So that helps you make sure that everybody's in the right place. But let me just show
Okay.
you something so you know. If you go to account and you click on update personal info, ooh, I'll block that out. If you click on personal info and you go down here to the bottom. This is how I'll do it. Everybody can't see. Okay, so if you click on that and you go to personal info, right here it says enable enrollment placement hold. When this is checked, right? So if you don't want people to go into the holding spot, you just uncheck this. Simple, and then save it. But for us right now, we're going to put them in there because we want to make sure all of your people are going in the right place, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back to place your person that you have in the holding tank. So we're going to go to my team, okay? First, you're going to go to your graph because you always want to make sure your people are put in the right place. So for you, you're just starting. You just started yesterday. So right here, you remember 40% goes here, 40% goes here, 20% goes here. So we're going to start her right here on the left. Anytime you put anybody in there and there's nobody in the right here, it's going to start from the left to the right anyway. So we're just going to put your number. So your number is 8306926. Okay. So
Okay.
when you first get started, that number is going to be the number that's put in there. So see right here it says sponsor ID, placement ID. You are the sponsor and you're placing that person under you. So both of these numbers will be the same. Okay.
Okay.
You're going to click update placement. And remember, both of the numbers are the same when you're placing them under you. So let's put your number here and then let's click update. Once you click update, what happens is it'll show you right here that is ready. Now, don't be alarmed if it doesn't go to its spot immediately. The reason why is because sometimes the computer takes a little while to just get everything where it's going, and there might be a lot of like people that are being placed at the same time. So it could take up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes sometimes to place your person where they're supposed to go. But once they get placed, this will disappear and they will end up in their right location, right here. So now you
Okay.
have one person under you. It's your first person under you. I hope that she does wonderful things in the company, but and then her people will go under there. The next person you bring into the business will be in the middle. The next person you bring in the business will be to the right. Now here's the cool part. Let's say you fill these two up, right? And you're getting
Right.
more people. When they're in your placement department, you can actually place people under this person. You can place people under this person. You can place people under that person. But what you can do, maybe she needs a lot of people. You can place 3 or 4 people under her, right? All you have to do when you're doing your placement hold is actually put in this number instead of your number. And it still counts for you, but it's placed under your person, which is cool because that's why if you look at your um, compensation plan and you see you only need 3 people to qualify for any level, just 3 people. So if she gets her 3 people, but you actually give her 7 people, she's going to be qualifying for the founder 500 because she now has 10 people, even though she only did 3. You're
Oh
set.
wow. Okay.
Yeah, so that's super cool because as long as they do their 3, they can still benefit from all the work. So everybody wins with this compensation plan. So that's
Wow.
mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you have any other questions about this over here?
Uh, yeah. Let me. So just to go back over, if once I put my left, my middle, and my right, and if I want to add uh, people under them, I use
Hmm?
their ID number. Uh,
Exactly, exactly. So,
okay.
yep, exactly. So, say I have some people and I'm like, okay, where can I place them? I would just put your number in as their placement, and then that way it'll go under you. They still signed up under me, but I'm placing them under you because we can only actually have 3 people directly,
Right.
right? So, the other 100 people that you're going to bring into the business, you're going to have to figure out where you want to put them in your downline. And
Gotcha.
that's going to make them happy. Like, oh my goodness, I have 5 people in my downline. Where did they come from, right? So definitely, that's why it's really important to get started right away because the closer higher you are up here, the more likely you're going to have people coming under you under here. So
Right.
that's why it's better to sign up early. So during this time, so that's perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, well, good. Do you understand it better now?
I do, and I really thank you for taking your time to show me. This will
Always.
save a lot of time and a lot of late night phone calls calling you trying to get help.
Exactly. So whatever you need, you can call me whatever time it is. I will answer if I'm awake, and I'll call you back if I'm asleep.
And that's why I like this company.
Good. Okay, Ivan. Well, I will
Okay.
see you later. If you need me, call me, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you later.
See you later.
Bye. This training and more like it will be made available to you as we learn more about Epic Trading International. Remember 40, 40, 20. That's very important as you are building your empire. Please make sure you subscribe and comment below. Let me know what kind of information you need. What do you need help with? I will definitely make a video to help you get further on in this business. You guys, my name is Toni Ward, and I'm super excited to help you in epic trading. You guys, I can't wait to see you at the bank and at the beach. Have a great rest of your night. Don't forget to subscribe, 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 subscribe.